Hello friends, today we are going to make mixed vegetable akki roti, or you can call it mixed vegetable thalipattu. The ingredients we need are half a cup of grated carrot, half a cup of grated or very finely chopped cucumber, half a cup of onions chopped, half a cup of grated capsicum, coriander leaves finely chopped, grated coconut, boiled peas and sweet corn mixed together. They have been boiled for 5 minutes. Then 2 or 3 potatoes boiled and peeled, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, very finely cut green chilies and salt to taste. Now let's see how we make it. Also we need rice powder, which I have taken 1.5 cup. I have measured this and kept. So these are the ingredients needed to make thalipattu. Let's start now. Once all the vegetables have been mashed, add the coconut also and make a mixture like this. To this, add the remaining items you have: jeera, green chilies and salt. Add all these 3 into the mixture now. Also, add the rice powder that you have measured and kept. Add this and then knead it into a very fine dough. Don't add too much of water or something. With this only you can knead actually. Only when you need water, add very little water and make a dough. This is how the mashed mixture looks. Don't make it very soft by adding too much water. This consistency should be there. Now take a portion out of this, make a ball and have a plantain leaf which has been smeared with oil. On this, spread this ball evenly so that you make a roti kind of thing out of it. And if this sticks, please apply a little water to your hand and then start pressing this like this and making it into a roti. For convenience, I have made one and kept here. So this now we are going to fry on the tawa, which is hot. You just have to take this plantain leaf and very carefully, this is a heated tawa. On this, put a little oil so that it does not stick. Spread it evenly and then invert this plantain leaf onto the tawa. Now you got to slowly press this leaf and let the mixture settle onto the tawa. And slowly try to take this leaf off. It doesn't create much problem. It comes out very well. This is how it is. Now you can either add butter or oil at the sides and then allow it to fry for some time. Slowly invert this to the other side for frying. Look how beautifully it is fried. Allow 2 or 3 minutes for this frying to take place. When it is done on the other side, take it out onto a plate and serve with butter and any peanut chutney or anything that you wish, even the coconut chutney, anything that you want. It tastes very good. Please do try it. This is how thalipattu or akki roti look.
Guys, do like, share and subscribe to Family Recipe Ghar. Also, you can leave comments. Thank you.